Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a video on using Teams. So this is what we're going to use for our case study. So the thing with the case studies is I need to be able to see and hear the discussion you're having in your small groups. So this is our Teams site, and I haven't done it yet, but I am going to put each of you in your groupings here. So once you're in your groupings, only the people in your group will be able to access this group page. So you guys can access the chat function just down here to discuss things that way. But then you're also going to start a meeting and record the discussion you have. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So if you want to start a meeting, all you do is click this button at the bottom. It says Meet Now. And then you can put your group name if you want at the top. So one person in your group will do this. I'm just going to say Group 1. And you'd go Meet Now. So the people able to join this meeting will be the people that are in your meeting group. So my video is not showing up because I'm doing a screen video right now. But you can have the option of showing your screen or just also using the speaking option. So that's really up to each person in your group. So once you start the meeting, one person will have to click this button and go Start Recording. And so that will record the discussion that your group is having. So after you do that, your group leader at the end of your discussion will stop the recording and will send me the link, or the link will also be available in the group chat. So that's really all you have to do, and then you're going to follow the instructions that I have given for the revised assignment on what you need to do within that group chat. But basically, we're going to come to this group site and you're going to work through it then during Monday at the 3 o'clock time, just so then I'll be available to help you. But like I said, if you need to do it at another time, your group can do that. You'll just have to make sure that you're recording your discussion.